Hey guys, Praveen here, and today I want to talk about these bookmarks, specifically where I post daily. So I do daily design post. So if you can see my dribble, you can see like my daily design post. I've been doing this for a while now, and yeah, I post on lots of platforms, and I just want to make a video on where I post. So first is Twitter or X, as it now called. So this is like my main posting platform. I post everything, thoughts, especially designs here. So all my design first comes here to my Twitter, and then LinkedIn. I post the peer list. Peer list is a good platform, and you can get more real comments here and more real engagement here. It's fully real people, and um, yeah, it's a good place right now. So yeah, playlist, that's there. Threads is also a good place. This is like I post and I come out, that's all. I don't do much here, but the engagement's good, I guess. Well, for a small platform it's good, so I just post daily and I come out. So but the engagement is good here. And Blue Sky, I'm not very sure about Blue Sky yet, but I just go and post my pictures for designs, and I just come out here also. Design the style, this is a very new one. I think I'm the only one posting here, but yeah, this is a good platform. And yeah, it's not taken off yet. I've seen some posts, but probably I'm the only one posting there right now. And Instagram, I mainly post on Instagram because it has a good connection with Pinterest. So this automatically whatever I post here, it automatically goes to Pinterest also. So two in one. So that's why I don't have Pinterest here. Pinterest probably has most reach, but it just auto posts from Instagram, so that's good. Layers, this is like a dribble alternative. I get good engagement here, many people see it, but yeah, here also post, get out, that's all. And dribble is where I go for inspirations, but for like fancy things, for like landing pages and things. But yeah, I post here, I see some engagement here. And yeah, it's like a good portfolio site, because whenever I apply for a job somewhere, they ask dribble. So yeah, it's a good portfolio site. And Behance also is the same. Behance really likes like long form content, and mine is like daily single image post, right? So it doesn't do well. So Behance specifically for like a monthly once post, a daily post doesn't do well, but I still post for just for like I have something to do daily, that's all. And I post in my website also, which is a good place to just have a portfolio of everything. So I just have a personal CMS, go in there, I add the image, and it goes there, and it goes to my website, auto deploys to my website, that's all. So yeah, these are all the places that I post daily. I bulk create my designs for a week, and then just take 10 minutes of my day and go in and post everywhere. I have some personal tools that I can use to click one click post to some of these platforms. But yeah, these are all the platforms that I post daily. I'll make another video on how I post daily, how I create content for daily, and how I create content for my YouTube, which is also going out daily right now. So yeah, I'll create a separate video that. But that's it for this video. Bye bye.